So on the previous size, we saw one of the food items was Cheerios, and it came in two different sizes. And what we found out on the last page was that the 525 gram one, so I'm going to write down 525 grams, had a unit price of $0.0076 per gram, and that the bigger box, which was 750 grams, had a unit price of 0.0080 grams. So when we look at the two and compare, what we notice is the smaller one was the better product. This is the better buy. And a lot of times we think in our heads, well, bigger means better. If we buy in bulk, it'll be cheaper, but that's not always the case. So when it says here, give one reason this might be the case where the smaller one was cheaper, it could be that the store is just trying to get rid of old stock. Cereal can only sit on the shelf so long before they can't sell it. So one reason sometimes smaller packages are on sale or cheaper is just to get rid of old stock. So sometimes the stores, they sell the smaller product a little bit cheaper if they want to move it quickly. Another reason could be that they have too many of them. Okay, they have too much and they have to move it quicker. All right, so let's try one more question together. So here, question number 2, it says milk is sold in a variety of sizes. So calculate the unit price for each one. So when I look at the first one, to get that unit price, you take the total, which is $4.58, divided by how much you get for that, and I get $1.14.05. I would normally round that up to $1.15. All right, for the next one, it's $2.99 divided by 2, and we find that the unit price is 1.495 per liter. And the last one. Now, last one's really easy. I could do that one in my head. So it's $1.99 divided by 1, which is $1.99 per liter. So when I compare the three, I realize that the 4-liter bag is actually the best one. So the 4 liters for $4.58 is actually the best deal. Now, when you go to the store, if this is the cheapest one, why do they sell these in smaller quantities? So question C says, well, why might someone choose to buy one of the other sizes? And one reason could be they don't want to buy the bagged milk. When you buy the bagged milk, you need to have a special container to put it in. It also takes up a lot of space in your fridge, so if you got just a little bit of space, that might not be the choice you want. Another reason is you might not need that much milk. So if only one person in your household just needs milk for, say, their coffee or tea, you're not going to get through all 4 liters of the milk, so you might want to buy something a little bit smaller. So there's a couple different reasons why someone might choose on purpose to buy one of the more expensive brands. I just buy the big one. If I have too many, I throw it in my freezer, but not everyone has that space. So now what I'd like you to do is do something similar and solve the rest of these questions.